fine art wedding and portrait photographer based in Dallas, Texas. So today I am going to be talking about something that I'm so passionate about, and it is invitation suites and flatlays. You guys voted on Instagram and you said that this was the video that you wanted to see. So here it is. I'm ready to teach you guys. But before I do that, please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified anytime I upload new content. As well, I would love it if you guys would head on over to Instagram so that you can actually get a visual of the type of things that I style on a daily basis. So, okay guys, I'm ready to hop into the video. All right, you guys, so this is what I have styled for us today, and if we were at a wedding day, my bride would probably give me her invitation suite, and this is about something how I would go about styling it. Now today, I am using a styling board, and this particular styling board is from Quay and Oaks. If you guys don't have a styling board, that's totally okay. When I first started, I didn't have one either, and I would always find like wood floors or even concrete floors, a bridesmaid's dress, or even the wedding veil. And even sometimes there would be like an accent chair that had really good cushions that I could lay this stuff on. So if you guys don't have access to a styling board, fear not, there's always something nearby that you can use to improvise. So along with our Quay and Oaks styling board, we have this gorgeous invitation suite from Jennifer at Pretty Post Calligraphy. So if you guys are in the market for wedding invitations, you should definitely check her out. And then we have this little ring box from Etsy with my ring in it, and then we have this really beautiful Bella May ribbon. Okay guys, so I'm gonna hop on into the tips. So when I am doing a flat lay, there's a couple of things that I think are really, really important to note to just get the best results photo-wise. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find a really good light source. It's really important to have natural light if at all possible. If you don't have natural light, that's totally okay. Just do with what you got, but if you can use natural light, please do. So the second thing is, you guys, is that you really want to make sure that when you're doing like an invitation suite flat lay, that you're doing it from left to right. And what I mean by that is people's natural eyes always read from left to right. So it'll make a really beautiful photo if you use that tip to kind of lay your flat lay with intention. And it just makes people more interested in the photograph itself. So that's one thing that's really important. And then something that I like to add into my flat lays is layers or dimension. So today I have this ribbon, and it kind of acts as a layer to kind of break up just the simpleness of the photo. Now I will say that I prefer for my photos and my styling to be a little bit more minimalistic, but there are some people who really like to have a lot of stuff in their flat lays. So really and truly, that's just a personal preference, but today we've got this little ribbon as our layer, and then we've got this little ring box as a contrast. So everything's pretty light in this photograph except for the ribbon and our ring box. And the reason for that is it kind of breaks up the simpleness once again and just kind of adds a little bit more dimension. Now, something that I think is so important that I wish I would have known when I first started doing this is negative space. You do not want to have a lot of negative space in your flat lays. The reason being is that it just really makes it not look appealing to the eye. So if you want to layer, like right here we have a little bit of a layer. So we have this layer with this ribbon, we have this layer on the paper with the envelope, and that really helps break up any type of negative space. And then the last thing that I just really want to encourage you guys to do is play. Now this is definitely a representation of my personal style and aesthetic as a photographer, but it might not be yours, and that's okay. You know, when I first started, I knew nothing, and it really took a little bit of time and effort to kind of figure out these tips and tricks. So I hope that they're helpful to you in that way. And something else I just want to encourage you with is that, you know, it's okay if you want to do your styling a little bit different, or you want to add more things to your image. Whatever the case may be, I hope that these tips are kind of lay a good foundation for you to get out there and play and do your thing and create something beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.